I am Ashley Rebello and I'm here for INIFD because it's a convocation today, and it's a great pleasure and an honor to be here. Dressing up stars has been my USP, and I'm here because to also promote Race 3, which is an upcoming film that I'm doing with Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez, Daisy Shah, Anil Kapoor, and a whole lot of them. And here's over to Ritu.
We are very happy that Ashley आज हमारे साथ हैं. Ashley is the chief mentor of INIFD from the past 18 years, and हमारे जो students हैं जो class of 2017 है, they have passed out, fashion design students and interior design students, and Ashley has also honored the Student of the Year award, given them Achievers award, and also all our students who are doing well in the industry. So Ashley especially come in from Mumbai to honor our class of 2017. Thank you.
Well, I believe that कि फैशन जो है वो वापस आ जाता है. जो 70s और 60s में था वो वापस अभी 90s और 2000 और 2017 में आ रहा है. And I just feel that you should keep all your old clothes, और अपने पेरेंट्स को भी बोल देना उनके जो कपड़े हैं वो भी रखें, क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं है कि कब यूज़ में आ जाएगा.
रेस 3 में कुछ ऐसा दिखने वाला है कि कुछ रेट्रो या ऐसा कुछ डिजाइन
I have designed just one outfit for Jacqueline in the film, where she's wearing a sari for the first time on Hindi on screen. She's never worn a sari before, and I think it's a privilege for me to actually put her in a sari. And with Salman, they both look sizzling together. Salman is wearing a lot of jackets and bomber jackets and a lot of style with like what I'm wearing, with a lot of design on the sleeves and all over. So you're looking at some new designs for Salman.
Actually, Salman की बात होगी, Bobby कैसे दिखेंगे पिक्चर में?
Bobby तो also I'm not designing Bobby's clothes in this film, but Bobby is looking stunning, and Bobby's looking stunning, and he's really looking fantastic. This is the first time you see Bobby looking sexy, hot, cool, and everything that all the girls desire. So here's to Bobby.
जैकलीन का कोई नया हॉट अवतार दिखने को मिलेगा?
जैकलीन के भी काफ़ी हॉट अवतार दिखने को मिलेंगे. Daisy Shah also in a very, very new avatar. So they're all looking hot, sexy, glamorous, and like Race. It's too, and it is glamour at its best.
We'll be catching you again in Chandigarh sometime after the Race 3 or Race 4 and all.
Definitely, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.